All right, here's the exhaust removal from my 93 SI Del Sol with the D16. Now, I've gone ahead. I did this for the sake of making it easier, but this is the removal of my previous owner installed this AirMass header setup. So this is how you would remove it along with a stock exhaust system. To start, you'd go ahead and loosen up these. On my car, these are all 12mm. I've gone ahead and broke them loose for the sake of brevity. Filming is also not exactly my forte, so I'd rather have everything tagged so that I know I don't say the wrong thing and give anybody bad information. Obviously, the easiest way to do that is to pull the dipstick out, but that's those bolts removed. Now we're moving under the car. You follow your exhaust here up. There's 3 14mm up here at the coupler. Okay, well, I loosened them all up. There it went. There's 3 of them. One around there, there. Was that your middle one? Sorry, I'm losing myself. And then your third one. My mechanic had over-tightened these. His helper did. They're 14mm, as you see. Next, we're going to move down here. There is a nut on the back side here. 2 of them, actually, 13mm. On this side of the bracket, I've got 2 13mm nuts that hold the piping to a bracket here. We move here to our coupler at the end, where the header itself moves to the cat. Now I have a test pipe, but the bolts on this was a 12mm nut on this side, and a bolt on this side that was 14. They're these guys. They're through like this. This side is still on. There you go. And these are the little nuts that were on the end. I'm going to remaneuver. I've already unplugged my O2 sensor. This is actually completely free at this point. You actually, it's hanging, well, that was fun. It was hanging itself. You had to kind of lift and twist. And then this whole section, you carefully drop down, and I'm doing this one-handed under the car by myself. Fun. Well, there's our lower section of our header removed. Video magic. We're back up top. You didn't have to hear me hitting my light on the exhaust. So we're going to go ahead and pull the dipstick. Okay, back to the header. Since all those nuts are off, gently pull that off. Voila, there's the removal of the AirMass header. Go ahead and pull off your old, apparently that's a Felpro, it looks like. There's the lower. This is a 4-to-2 header system. I'll be removing this to put into the new. There's our old donut gasket. This is normally supposed to have a gasket with it. This is why I say the mechanic goofed something. Guys, don't ever run your bolts in with an electric drill or an impact. Things like this happen, and then you get fun exhaust leaks. I was wondering why my car was sounding like poo. And here's the other one. This one was actually one of the side ones. I'm assuming this was the back one. Look at where these nuts, they connect. Somebody has left this one off, but this is where. So apparently you can hold it on with just one. I wouldn't recommend it. Now we'll get back under. Look at the cat. Now again, in my case, I'm using a test pipe. Catalytic converter had failed. I wasn't passing emissions. It was a whole thing. car was running horrible, so I put this on to diagnose, and the car was exempt from emissions, so I just stuck with the test pipe till I could get my new exhaust and get somebody to weld a proper cat back in. Here's your bolts. There's 3 of them along the back here. You've got a nut. All these are 14. I need 2 hands. You run those 3 nuts off the back of the bolts. None of those are captured, so they're all loose. You're going to need to use a wrench and a socket. There's our gasket. Here's the test pipe. As you can hear, that was the bulk of my rattle. Isn't that nice? These are designed as a pipe within a pipe, and yep, that inner pipe is let loose. Whew, nice. Everywhere I drive. That's what I sounded like in traffic. Isn't that fun? Now that that's off, I'm going to see if the rest of the exhaust rattles. Yep. That's where I got hit with that paver stone, and it must have broke something loose in the heat shield. Looks like it popped. I don't know if that was supposed to be attached, welded, if that is even supposed to be bent down like that. Sorry for the glare. There we go. But that was part of my issue. See, I have a hit here, and this is bent down. So that was all my noise, apparently. To get this loose, you have captured nuts back here, right by the muffler. One of these on either side. This is a 12 millimeter. This is captured, welded to the piece, so you don't even fool with it. But these come loose. One has already fallen out. I don't know. Ta-da. So that's just how that goes. And then you've got your donut gasket. And now the exhaust is loose. And now the fun part is dealing with all these little rubber guys. I will see if I can get one to move to kind of show you a trick that I just saw online. Okay, here we are up at the front ones. They say to take some stuff like WD-40, whatever type of lubricant you have. This is some old stuff, so I don't even know how well this stuff works for normal use. So it seems like a good candidate to just spray up in there. Now, you're supposed to take a set of channel locks. Sorry, that bounced around. And you use the channel locks to grip and squeeze it like this and work it off. Wow, I hope that caught on video, because surprise, I ran out of space on my SD card. I popped that hanger loose, and I popped that hanger loose, and now this whole, as I back up, section of exhaust is free. It's just hung up on the jack stand. And of course, jack stands for safety. Jack stands for safety. Don't do this with just a jack. I've got them placed on the frame rail. And another exhaust hanger here. And of course, I undid 2 holding up the muffler. It was too precarious on video, but that is free now. It's just a matter of getting it out from around the suspension, which, since I'm one-handed, to help with the foot. And there's that. Now we can see this final exhaust hanger. Okay, the concept works like this. Take the plier, you have one side of the jaw here on the channel locks, the other side here on the little nubby, and then you push and twist. The idea is to push this piece through. I'm trying to do this on video. Had to reposition with my right hand. You see, you just, isn't that fun? And then it comes down. Had to remove that strategically around the jack stands, but there it is, out of the car. It's So you're gonna have 2 of these. I don't know why the previous owner didn't weld a second one on there, but they didn't. I had to do this because it was rattling around and hitting the body. I know it's ugly, but it worked. There's that mount. And then those 2 mounts. And that's all there is. Yeah, I know, that's all there is. But anyway, so there she's out. Now, to put on the new setup. That'll be in another video.